Glass skin, clear, radiant, and unbelievably smooth. It looks like magic, but guess what? You don't need expensive products to achieve it. The secret lies in simple, homemade face masks using ingredients you already have. Today, I'm sharing the best DIY face masks that will give you hydrated, glowing, and blemish-free skin without spending a dime. Let's get into it. 1. The ultimate hydration mask for dry, dull skin. Hydration is key to glass skin, and this mask is like a tall glass of water for your face. What you need: 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, deeply hydrates and soothes. 1 tablespoon honey, locks in moisture and gives a natural glow. 1 tablespoon yogurt, gently exfoliates and brightens. How to use: mix everything into a smooth paste. Apply evenly and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Results: instantly plump, dewy, and hydrated skin. The brightening rice water mask for uneven skin tone. Want clear, luminous skin like K-pop idols? Rice water has been a K-beauty secret for centuries, and it works wonders. What you need: ½ cup rice, rich in antioxidants and brightens skin. 1 cup water, draws out the skin-loving nutrients. How to use: 1. Soak rice in water for 30 minutes, then strain. 2. Use the rice water as a face mask by soaking a cotton pad in it. Apply and let it dry for 20 minutes, then rinse. The acne-fighting turmeric mask for clear skin. Struggling with breakouts? This mask calms inflammation, reduces redness, and clears acne scars naturally. What you need: 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, fights bacteria and fades dark spots. 1 tablespoon yogurt, soothes and gently exfoliates. 1 teaspoon honey, heals and hydrates. How to use: mix everything into a paste. Apply a thin layer and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off gently and follow with moisturizer. The glass skin glow mask for instant radiance. Need instant glow-up skin? This mask works like a highlighter but natural. What you need: ½ banana, mashed, packed with vitamins to brighten skin. 1 teaspoon. Honey deeply hydrates. 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, lightens dark spots. How to use: mash everything into a creamy paste. Apply and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse and admire your natural glow. The pore tightening and white mask for smooth skin. Large pores? This mask tightens skin, reduces oil, and gives a flawless look. What you need: 1 egg white, firms and minimizes pores. 1/2 teaspoon cornstarch, absorbs excess oil. 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, brightens skin. How to use: whisk the egg white until frothy. Mix with cornstarch and lemon juice. Apply a thin layer and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off gently with warm water. Your skin will feel instantly firmer and smoother. And there you have it, 5 powerful DIY face masks for glass skin, all using ingredients from your kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural beauty secrets. See you in the next video.